Hello, English Vibes friends. Welcome back to our English for Beginners A1 playlist, where we make English super easy and fun. I'm Tom, your happy teacher.
Hi, Tom. Hi, friends. I'm Anna. I learn English too.
Great to see you, Anna. This is episode 7, and today we learn about colors and clothes, things like red and shirt.
Yes, it's simple and stylish for beginners.
Right, Anna. Friends, we say, I wear a red shirt, and ask, what color is it? It's like a fun game.
I like games, Tom. Colors are super fun.
Chuckles. We'll practice slow, then fast, and play a game called Style Swap. You can repeat with us at home.
Ready? Subscribe, share, and tell us in the comments. What's your favorite color? Maybe blue or red. We'll read the best ones next time.
This is from our English for Beginners A1 playlist, where we learn easy words to talk in English. Want more lessons? Tell us in the comments. Let's get dressed. Okay, Anna, let's start with color words. These are colors we see every day. Listen, friends. Red, blue, green. Anna, say red.
Red?
Perfect, Anna. It's red with a nice E sound. Let's try together. Friends, repeat with us. Slow, red, blue, green.
Red, blue, green. Red, blue, green. Red, blue, green.
I did it, Tom. Yes, you did. Now let's add more. Yellow, black, white. Anna, say yellow.
Yellow,
Chuckles. Great. Let's practice. Slow, yellow, black, white.
yellow, black, white. Yellow, black, white.
Nice job, friends. Now clothes words. Shirt, pants, shoes. Anna, say shirt.
Shirt,
Close. It's shirt. Let's practice. Slow, shirt, pants, shoes.
shirt, pants, shoes. Shirt, pants, shoes.
Awesome. Now let's use them. Like, I wear a blue shirt. Anna, try it.
I wear red shoes.
Good. Friends, repeat. I wear, I wear, I wear. Say a color and cloth. I wear, I wear, I wear, I wear.
Tom, I say I wear green pants.
Yes, Anna, good one. We say, I wear green pants. No mistake. We all learn. Let's try. What color is? Like, what color is your shirt? Anna, ask me.
What color is your shoes?
My shoes are black. Friends, repeat. What color is? What color is? What color is? Say a cloth. What color is? What color is? What color is? What color is? Time for a game. It's called Style Swap. I say my color and cloth. Anna swaps hers. And you swap at home. Ready? I wear a red shirt. Anna, go.
I wear a blue pants. Your turn, friends.
Great. One more time. I wear a red shirt. I wear blue pants. Friends, you're doing great. Solo practice. Say, I wear, your color, your cloth. Now, Anna, let's use colors and clothes to talk about style. Imagine we're at a shop. I say, I wear a green shirt. Anna, reply.
I wear yellow shoes.
Good. Friends, repeat. I wear. Say a color and cloth. Now a question. What color is your shirt? Anna, ask me.
What color is shirts?
Almost. It's shirt, not shirts, for one. What color is your shirt? Let's practice. Slow. What color is your shirt? What color is your shirt? Medium, what color is your shirt? What color is your shirt? Fast, what color is your shirt? What color is your shirt? Okay, Tom, what color is your shirt? It's blue. Friends, ask, what color is your shirt? Now answer with your color. Let's try a little story. Anna's outfit. Anna, say I wear.
I wear black pants.
Awesome. Now ask a question.
What color is your pants, Tom?
My pants are red. Friends, make your own story. Say I wear, your color, your cloth. Like, I wear white shoes. Now ask, what color is your cloth? Let's add not. Like, I don't wear a yellow shirt. Anna, try it.
I don't wear green shoes?
Yes. Friends, repeat. I don't wear. I don't wear. I don't wear. Say a color and cloth you don't wear. I 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 don't wear. One more story. At a party. Anna, say I wear and ask me.
I wear white dress. What color is your dress, Tom?
I wear a black shirt, not a dress. Friends, try a party story. Say I wear, your color, your cloth, and ask, what color is your cloth? Okay, Anna, let's talk like friends. We're at a fashion show. I start. Hi, my name is Tom. I wear a blue shirt. What color is your shirt?
Hello, Tom. My name is Anna. My shirt is red. I wear red pants. What color is your pants?
My pants are green. Nice to meet you. Friends, repeat Anna's line. My name is Anna. I wear red pants. Now say your own. Round 2. Anna, you start.
Good morning. My name is Anna. I wear yellow shoes. What color is your shoes?
Good morning, Anna. My shoes are black, not yellow. What color is your shirt? My shirt is white. Friends, join in. Say your name and a wear. Ask, what color is your cloth? Now, our game, Style Chain. I say my name and style. Anna adds, and you keep it going. Ready? My name is Tom. I wear a blue shirt.
My name is Anna. I wear red shoes. Your turn, friends.
One more. My name is Tom. I wear a blue shirt. My name is Anna. I wear red shoes. Quick round. Say, I wear a blue. Ask, what color is your blue? Answer, it's your color.
It's green pants.
Final repeat. Our big phrase 3 times. Slow. I wear a blue shirt. I wear a blue shirt. Medium. I wear a blue shirt. I wear a blue shirt. Fast. I wear a blue shirt. I wear a blue shirt. Anna, you're a style star. Friends, practice every day, and you'll talk about clothes like a pro. Thanks, Anna. You're the best.
Thank you, Tom.
Subscribe, share, and comment your favorite style, like I wear a star shirt. We'll read the best next time. Bye from Tom and Anna.